Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and I wanted to show you two new collections that we just got in. And I'm just going to show you the 12 by 12. We have the 6 by 6 and the ephemera, but you guys know what that looks like. So this one is from BoBunny. It's just released. It's called Summer Mood. There it is. And look at this. How gorgeous. I got to use this paper. I love that. Looks like a watercolor effect down here, and it has the writing up there. There's the back side. And then here's your cutouts, cards, whatever you want to use. You can slide these in your little pockets of your mini album. There's the back side. And then here is this one. Look at that. Isn't it gorgeous? I love it. And then lemons. Of course, we have to have lemonade in the summertime. And there's that one. And look at that. Isn't that pretty? These colors are just beautiful. Love that. So these would be good for page layouts, mini albums, cards, whatever you wanted to use them for. It's a very good collection. And then we have to have popsicles. And there's that side. There's that one. And that side. So it starts over and you get the same ones. So this has 19 pieces, so it's 2 of each design in that. And then, okay, and then we have BoBunny again, and this is Once Upon a Lifetime. There's that one. And look at these. Vintage. I love those old glasses, the old frames. There's that side. There's that one. Love that wood grain. That's pretty. Isn't that pretty? You could cut those out and use them. Mother, father, grandmother, grandfather. And then it starts over. So in this one you get 19 pieces. Then you have your sticker sheet. Turn it right side up. There's your sticker sheet. So those are the two new collections. One of them is called Summer Mood, and the other one is Once Upon a Lifetime from BoBunny. Alright guys, that is it for right now. We'll have a tutorial for you later on this afternoon. We'll talk to you later. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Hit my face right up here so that you can subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And click that little bell for notifications when we put up a new video. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.